deficit during December 2024 and January 2025. This drainage of liquidity is mainly attributed to advanced tax payments in December 2024. You are aware there are quarterly advanced tax payments to be made, December being that particular month. For the advanced tax payments for Q3, that did have an impact. Capital outflows, again, one has witnessed some capital outflows because of various reasons. Forex operations and a significant pickup in currency in circulation as we witness every year in January. It has been, however, I would like to mention over here that we have observed that some banks are reluctant to on-lend in the uncollateralized call money market. They are passively parking funds with the Reserve Bank. I take this opportunity to all the banks to urge them to actively trade amongst themselves in this uncollateralized call money market so as to make it deeper and vibrant for better signal extraction from the weighted average call money rate. The Reserve Bank is committed. I want to assure everyone that the Reserve Bank is committed to provide sufficient system liquidity. We have taken a number of steps in this regard, and we will continue to monitor the evolving liquidity and financial market conditions.
और इसी के साथ खबरों में इतना ही। नमस्कार।